How to recover deleted call history on Android.
Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, I'm going to go on my contacts and then just delete any of my contact number, for example. So let me just delete this number and it will be deleted from the call log. Then what I'm going to do is to restore this, I'm going to go for any browser I have. So I'm going for Google Chrome, and in the Google Chrome I'm going to search for Call Log Monitor Pro. So just type this and search for it. So it will give you a lot of options. Now just scroll down and you can find the option of Call Monitor for Android Download APK. Tap on that and make sure you download the APK. Tap on download and wait until it gets downloaded. Now as soon as it gets downloaded, you can tap on open option, tap on install, and the app will be installed on your device. Now tap on open and it will lead you to the home page of the application. Now here you can go for contacts and see the deleted contact over here. So that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.